In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect donations on your Shopify store using the DonateMate app. Setting up a donation feature on your online store can be a great way to give your customers a chance to support causes that are important to both you and them. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, let's head over to the Shopify admin dashboard and focus on the left-hand panel. Here, you'll need to click on Apps. This is where we can find and add new functionalities to our store. In the search bar at the top, simply type in DonateMate and hit Enter. The Shopify App Store will then present you with a list of results. You're going to want to look for the DonateMate app. Once you found it, go ahead and select it. You'll see an option to install it. Click on Install, and Shopify will begin setting everything up for you. This usually only takes a minute or two, so sit tight. As soon as the installation is complete, you'll find that DonateMate now appears on that familiar left panel of your Shopify dashboard. Click on its name in this panel to start the setup process. The app will guide you through its own setup process using on-screen instructions. Follow along as it helps you configure the settings. You might have options to choose different donation amounts, customize messages, or decide where you want your donation options to be visible to your customers. Make sure to take your time here. Ensuring everything is set up properly will help create a smooth donation process for your customers. Once DonateMate is fully set up, it's time to incorporate it into your Shopify store's virtual landscape. Open your site editor. This is where you create or modify the layout of your store. Navigate to the area on your site where you want to offer the donation option to your customers. It could be on your home page, the checkout page, or even on a dedicated page for causes that are close to your heart. When you have decided on the perfect spot, click Add Section, which allows you to include new interactive components to your site. Locate and select the DonateMate section from the options available under the Apps tab. Bam! Just like that, you've successfully added a donation section to your store. This new feature can begin generating additional support from your customers for the causes that matter to you, and it's all happening right through your Shopify store. And there you have it. You've now equipped your Shopify store with a tool that not only enhances customer engagement, but also promotes goodwill. Thank you for joining me today as we explored how to seamlessly integrate the DonateMate app into your store. Remember, a thoughtful touch like this can make a big difference both for your brand and the causes you care about. Have a great day.